Want to improve your desk setup without spending a lot of money? Today, I'm sharing 6 must-have desk accessories for beginners, all under $50 that you can find on Amazon. I'll also put the link in the description box below if you are interested. These simple items can help you work more comfortably, stay organized, and even feel less tired at the end of the day. Plus, there's some cool science behind why they work. Let's get started. First up, a foldable laptop stand. When you put your laptop flat on the desk, you're constantly looking down. This can cause a tech neck, which happens when your head tilts forward for long periods. According to research from the Mayo Clinic, this forward head posture puts extra pressure on your spine, leading to neck and shoulder pain. By raising your laptop to eye level, a stand helps improve posture and reduces neck and back strain. Foldable stands also help reduce desk clutter. Lifting your laptop frees up space underneath for storing items like notebooks, cables, or even a small keyboard. I found this one on Amazon, and there are a ton of options available, ranging from inexpensive to more expensive models made from various materials like metal and wood. It depends on your personal style, so you can choose the one you like best. I chose this one because of its design. It's lightweight and has a minimal look. It costs only $22.99, and I can store my external hard drive underneath it, which helps keep my desk organized and clutter-free. And since it's lightweight and easy to pack, it's great for hybrid work setups, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. If you have a newer laptop, especially something like a MacBook, you'll probably notice there aren't a lot of ports. You might just have a couple of USB-C ports, and that's it. So what happens when you want to plug in multiple things like mouse, keyboard, external hard drive, or even a monitor? That's where a USB-C hub comes in. It's a small, handy device that gives you extra ports, so you can connect more stuff at once. A USB-C hub is like a power strip for your laptop. You plug it into one USB-C port and suddenly you have multiple new ports to use, like USB-C-A, HDMI, SD card slots, and more. This makes it easier to connect all your devices without constantly unplugging and switching cables. Why it is important? It saves time and reduces frustration. If you are trying to stay focused, the last thing you want is to stop everything just to figure out which device to plug in next. USB-C hubs are especially great for people who work from different places. Instead of setting up your entire workspace from scratch every time, you just plug in one hub and you're good to go. For new beginners, I recommend the Anker 555 that I'm using now. It costs $39.99. This is a powerful tool that can make working with your laptop much easier. It has an HDMI port that lets you connect to a monitor or TV. This means you can enjoy sharper, 4K quality pictures, perfect if you want more screen space for work or enjoy watching movies in high definition. It also includes multiple USB-A ports, which are the older style ports many devices still use. You won't have to unplug one thing to connect to another, making it easier to use your keyboard, mouse, hard drive, and other devices all at once. Another great feature is Ethernet port. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unreliable, you can plug in an Ethernet cable for a faster, more stable internet connection. For photographers or anyone who uses memory cards, the hubs has built-in SD and microSD card slots. This lets you quickly transfer photos and videos without needing a separate card reader. One of the best parts is that you can charge a laptop while using the hub. The Anker 555 passes enough power through to keep most laptops charged, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery while using multiple devices. Next on the list is a cable organizer, and trust me, this small accessory can make a huge difference. Why is it so important? Messy cables don't just look bad, they actually affect your brain. Studies show that cluttered environments can overwhelm your mind and make it harder to focus. When your brain is constantly processing visual distractions, it can cause mental fatigue, which drains your energy. I came across this cable raceway kit, and I have to say it's a great buy for just $24.99. It comes with everything you need to keep your cables neat and organized. You get 6 straight pieces, 4 corner pieces, and connectors to help fit your setup perfectly. Putting it up is super easy. You can either peel off the backing and stick it on, or use the included screws if you want it to be extra secure. I suggest using the adhesive method so you don't have to put holes in your desk. The sticky side holds quite well, keeping it in place under your desk. There are 9 channels, each about 15.4 inches long, which makes managing your cables a breeze. Plus, the design is slim and can be painted, so it blends in nicely with your room decor. It's perfect for getting those messy cords out of sight and out of reach. I also use small clips to keep my cords hidden under the desk. You can find those on Amazon for around $12.99, and trust me, they are definitely worth it. Next is a charging station for your phone, AirPods, or smartwatch. We've all been there, looking for chargers or dealing with messy cables all over the desk. A charging dock keeps everything in one place and makes sure your devices are always ready when you need them. Keeping your chargers organized also saves brain power. Study shows that reducing small decisions like where did I put that charger frees up mental energy for more important tasks. When your laptop is on a stand, it's hard to type on the built-in keyboard and use the trackpad. A separate keyboard and mouse are much more comfortable. I use a mechanical keyboard, which feels great to type on because it has a satisfying click sound. Research shows that good feedback from a keyboard can help you type faster and more accurately. However, you can pick any keyboard that suits your style and needs. I recommend the Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s for beginners, since it's well designed and functional. It costs about $29.99 and works well for working from home, studying, or gaming. Plus, it's minimalistic and doesn't take up much space on your desk. I used it for over 2 years before I switched it to a mechanical keyboard. I also use a Logitech Lift mouse, which is designed to keep your hand in a comfortable position. This helps reduce wrist strain, making it easier to work for long periods. Although it costs a bit more than $50, it's worth the investment for comfort and support. Wireless options also make your desk look cleaner without a bunch of tangled cables. And the last one is screen bar lights. This is a light that clips onto the top of your monitor or laptop screen. It shines down on your desk without creating glare on your screen. Why it is helpful? Poor lighting can strain your eyes and even cause headaches. Studies show that good lighting reduces eye fatigue and helps you stay focused longer. Screen bar lights are energy efficient, don't take up desk space, and make your whole setup look sleek. I'm using the Screen Bar Halo from BenQ, but it's not budget-friendly for beginners. A great alternative is the Quantis Light Bar, which offers affordable features. The price is about $39.95. The Quantis Monitor Light Bar is certified to reduce harmful blue light and provides flicker-free, comfortable lighting. It also includes a remote controller for convenient use. The Quantis lamp supports healthier screen time habits, making it a great choice for students and office workers, ensuring comfort during extended use. Making some easy changes to your workspace can really help you feel better and work more effectively while sitting at your desk. You don't have to spend a lot of money or fancy gadgets to get better results or take care of your health during those long hours. Instead, try to simplify what you need and look for practical ideas that suit you. This approach not only makes sense for you, but it can also save you money. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which accessory is your favorite, or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.